Okay, let's get into it. Today we are deep diving into what you might call the nervous system of modern live broadcasting.
Right. We're talking about the F-12G-4SDI-CWDM-TX kit.
And this is not something you'd find at a big box store. This is serious professional hardware for moving UHD videos, so think 4K, even 8K.
Instantly and without a single flaw.
Yeah, for things like live sports, massive stadium concerts, that kind of thing.
Exactly. And our goal here, for you listening, is to really unpack how this system solves a huge problem. It takes 4 high-res video sources and sends them down one single tiny strand of fiber optic cable, making sure what comes out the other end is completely lossless and transparent.
So let's talk about performance, because that's where it all starts. The spec sheet mentions it supports multiple SDI rates, but the big one is 12G SDI. For the viewer, what does that number really mean?
It means everything. You see, 12G SDI is the bandwidth you absolutely need for high-end video, like 2160p at 60 frames per second.
The really smooth, crisp stuff.
Precisely. But the real magic bullet here is the zero delay.
Zero.
Well, almost. It transports the video and all the embedded audio in about 1 millisecond. That is, for all practical purposes, instantaneous. It means high frame rate, deep color video gets where it needs to go perfectly.
Wow. So no buffering, no weird lip sync artifacts on a live feed. Okay, that's speed. Now, how about the logistics? This thing handles 4 SDI inputs at once. How on earth does it push all that data down one pipe?
It's a technology called CWDM. That's Coarse Wavelength Division Multiplexing.
Okay, what's that in simple terms?
So think of that single fiber cable as a highway. Instead of needing 4 separate highways for 4 streams of traffic, CWDM gives each stream its own lane using a different color, a different frequency of light.
All on the same piece of glass.
All on the same piece of glass. The standard kit can send that signal up to 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers?
And that's upgradable for even longer hauls. For a production crew in a stadium, this is a game changer.
Yeah.
1 cable instead of 4. Think of the setup time you save.
That's a huge selling point. So the signal's going fast and it's going far. But when you combine 4 streams, how do you make sure the signal doesn't just degrade?
That's where the invisible safeguards come in.
Yeah.
There are 2 really critical ones.
Okay.
The first is called the clock recovery function. As data travels, the timing can get a little wobbly. It's called jitter.
Right.
This function basically scrubs away all that jitter. It rebuilds the data using a pure, stable clock, locking it in at those insane speeds like 11.88 gigabits per second. It's like a rhythm correction for data.
So it's fixing the timing. What about the actual strength of the signal?
That's the second piece. Automatic cable equalization, or EQ. Before the signal even hits the fiber, it's often running over, old school copper BNC cables. Copper weakens the signal over distance. This EQ feature automatically senses that loss and boosts the signal to compensate for it.
So it's future-proofing the input signal before it even gets converted.
You got it. It can handle up to 75 meters of copper cable at their full 12G speed without breaking a sweat.
That is an incredible amount of tech packed into a pretty standard 1RU box. It's about 3 kilos. We should mention the price, though. It's listed today at $5,250. That's a serious investment.
It is, but you're paying for resilience. You have to look at the other specs. The working temperature range is -20 to +75 degrees Celsius.
Whoa.
Yeah. That means this box can work in the freezing cold at a winter sports event or in the middle of a hot desert for a car race. It's built for reliability above all else.
So wrapping this up, the big takeaway for you, the listener, is that this F-12G-4SDI kit is really this elegant, high-density solution. It's for professionals who absolutely cannot afford failure when moving 4K or 8K video.
Exactly. And it leaves me with one final thought. The mean time between failures, the MTBF, for this unit is rated at over 10,000 hours.
That's more than a year of constant operation.
Right. So when you realize that a single signal failure during a major live broadcast could cost a network millions in lost revenue, what does that incredible emphasis on reliability really tell you about the financial stakes of getting live video right?